Good morning dear students, welcome to the next lesson of computer science. Hope all of you will be safe and sound. Let's quickly recap our last lesson. In our last lesson, we learned about nested lists and description list. Placing one list inside into another list is called nested lists. We may nest any list inside any other list. For example, ordered list can be nested in unordered lists. Or an ordered list can be nested inside the ordered lists. Description list. A description list is a list of items with a description or definition of each item. The description list is created using DL element. The DL element is used in combination with the DT element, which specify a term, and the DD element, which specify the term's definition. Use DL, description list, to create the list. Use DT, definition list term, to specify the term. Use DD, definition list description, to offer the definition. Hope you had practically exercised nested lists and description lists at homes. Students, look at the HTML code for nested lists and description lists, which we have already discussed in our previous lesson. That was the HTML code for description lists, which we have already discussed in our last lesson. Now, let's begin today's lesson. Learning objectives. Students, if you do well in this lecture, you will be able to demonstrate how to set different images as a list item marker. List, style, image, property. Students. Replacing standard HTML list bullets with images can be a great way to tie them into your own theme. Placing an image as a bullet make your site more visually appealing. The list style image property is used to specify an image that is to be used as a marker for list items or elements with display. You can use an image to mark the list items in an unordered list. The address of the image is specified using the list style image property. General syntax of list style image is list style image, URL, image.x, where URL identifies the location of the image resource. None means no image, which is the default value. Students. For implementing list style image, you must be having an image to use it as a marker for list items. I am going to save few images for list markers. For this, open your Microsoft Word. Click on Insert. Under the Insert ribbon, click on Online Pictures. I am going to download few pictures, which later on, I will be using as list style image for list markers. Now, search for any picture of your choice. I am going to search for smiley faces. After choosing picture, Click on it. And click on Insert. This will insert the picture in your Word document. Now copy this picture and paste it in Microsoft Paint. After pasting the picture in Microsoft Paint, resize the picture. Try to resize the picture to as small size as you can. Also resize the canvas area of Microsoft Paint. Save it with smiley name. You can save it either as BMP, JPG, PNG, or in GIF format. By this way, save few images which you want to use as bullet marker picture. Try to resize the picture to as small size as you can. Also, resize the canvas area of Microsoft Paint. By this way, save few images which you want to use as bullet marker. Consider the following HTML code to learn how to set an image as a list item marker. The output is shown in the figure. First open Notepad. Type the basic HTML code structure. These are doctype, HTML, head, and title tags. Use any title for your page. Let the title of our page is list title image. Now close the title tag. We will be applying list style image via embedded or internal style sheets. For this, add style tag. Style type equals text/CSS. As displaying image for list items is a type of unordered list, so we will apply the lit style image on UL tag. That is, ul list style image, u.r.l leaf.jpg. As I am going to display smiley picture as a list style image, so in URL I have mentioned the name of simile image, which is image.jpg/style. Now close the head section. After head, start the body section with the body tag. Add heading. List style image, within h2 tag. The tag for ordered list is OL. In order to add items into the ordered list, we have to use li, list item tag. So type li tag, and then type the text you wanted to display as ordered list item. Let's first add all of the subject as in items in ordered list. So we are adding English, Urdu, mathematics, science, and so on, as list items of ordered list. After adding items to the list, you have to close the ordered list by closing OL tag. Now we have to close the body with closing body, and document with closing HTML tag. After completely composing the HTML document, we have now to save our file with .html extension. As I am saving the file with list image .html on my desktop. Once you save the file, you will see the file on your desktop with browser icon. Now click on the file to open it in browser. You will see images in front of list items. You may change the image. Let's change the smiley image into leaf, so we have to change the name into leaf.extension, which is leaf.jpg. Save the changes in HTML file and refresh the browser to get the images. Dear students, the following HTML code will clear the concept of adding images as list-style image to you. Type the code in Notepad, and save it with .html extension. The output of code is shown here.